Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a food business with DoorDash, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To build a food business with DoorDash, start by identifying your niche. Research the local market to understand what food trends are popular. Decide on the type of cuisine you want to offer. Create a business plan outlining your goals, target audience, and marketing strategy. Register your business with the appropriate local authorities. Apply for the necessary permits and licenses required for a food business. Develop a unique menu that highlights your specialty dishes. Consider pricing your items competitively while ensuring profitability. Set up a commercial kitchen if you're preparing food yourself. Alternatively, you can partner with an existing restaurant or kitchen space. Register as a DoorDash partner by visiting their website. Fill out the required information, including business details and menu items. Upload high-quality images of your dishes to attract customers. Ensure your menu is well organized and easy to understand. Set delivery areas and times that are feasible for your business. Once registered, focus on optimizing your DoorDash listing for better visibility. Use keywords and descriptions that resonate with your target audience. Consider promotional strategies, such as discounts or special offers for first-time customers. Utilize social media to promote your partnership with DoorDash. Share behind-the-scenes content to engage potential customers. Monitor customer reviews and feedback to improve your service. Stay in regular communication with DoorDash representatives for support. Track your sales and analyze data to refine your menu and offerings. Adjust your deliveries based on peak times and customer preferences. Always prioritize quality and consistency in your food preparation. Continue to innovate your menu based on seasonal trends and customer feedback. Building a successful food business with DoorDash requires dedication and adaptability. Stay updated with industry trends and DoorDash policies to remain competitive. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.